In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share your Google Calendar with someone else. Sharing your calendar can be incredibly useful, whether it's for coordinating schedules with family and friends or collaborating with colleagues at work. Let's dive right into the step-by-step process. First, you'll want to open your preferred web browser and navigate to your Google Calendar. You can do this by going to calendar.google.com. Once you're there, you'll be greeted by your calendar view, which might be in daily, weekly, or monthly format depending on your last settings. Take a look at the top right hand corner of the page and you'll see a gear icon. Go ahead and click on it. This icon is your gateway to the settings menu where you can manage all your calendar configurations. Once the menu drops down, click on settings to proceed. Now that you're in the settings page, direct your attention to the left side and find the list of all your calendars at the bottom. Your goal here is to select the specific calendar you wish to share. Click on the calendar's name and this will open its settings for further customization. As you scroll through the calendar settings, locate the shared with specific people section. This section is vital because here you can specify individuals with whom you'd like to share your calendar information. Now look for the Add People and Groups button, click on it to start adding collaborators. A box will pop up asking for an email address. Enter the email address of the person or group you want to share the calendar with. After typing the address, you have the option to set permissions tailored to how much access you want to grant them. Next, you'll notice a permissions drop-down menu adjacent to where you entered the email address. Click on it to reveal various levels of access. You can select from options such as see only, free, busy, hide details. If you want minimal access given, see all event details for more visibility, or even make changes to events if you are working collaboratively. The most comprehensive level, make changes and manage sharing, grants full access to the calendar's management. Once you've decided on the permissions level, don't forget to click send. This action sends an invitation to the email address you specified, allowing the recipient to see or manage your calendar based on the permissions you've set. And that's it. Following these steps, you can easily share your Google Calendar with others, helping you stay organized and connected. Whether it's making sure you're all set for that meeting or scheduling social events seamlessly, sharing a calendar can undoubtedly streamline your planning. Thank you for watching, and I hope you find this guide useful in managing your time and commitments.